It's crazy when I went over all this, I did not think I spent that much on this car. What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy. It's your boy, Flows, back yet again.
Really, nigga?
Another video, another vlog. I know it's late out here, y'all, but I was about to go to sleep, and I was like, nah, you know what? I'm tired of sitting my butt. I gotta give y'all some content. So, here we are. And as you can see by the title of this video, you already know what's going on in this video. So I ain't gotta say too much. I've been wanting to do this vlog for a minute, but I wanted to complete my car first before I did it. And it's not quite complete yet. I still have a few things in the works, but it's gonna be a minute for that to get done, because the other mods cost quite a bit of money, and we ain't got that right now because we're working on some other stuff. I'm gonna let y'all know what the other stuff is later on down the line, but as of right now, y'all ain't getting none of that info. I think it's dark. Sheesh. I had to hold on. I'm gonna take the sunglasses off y'all real quick. Hold on real quick. Let me see. Oh, there goes some good light. Ooh, y'all can see me now. I'm still here. Alright. So also, I am going to be eventually expanding into a gaming channel, because I don't want to do it on here. I don't know, because most of y'all follow me for my the car videos, and I'm going to get back to reviews, but the whole COVID situation, I didn't want to just go walk into a dealership and have to deal with all that. So that's why the car reviews haven't been live. I could just post pictures and sit at the house and do it, but that ain't really fun. I'd rather y'all see what actually all the details that I'm talking about in the video. That way you get a better understanding of what I'm saying. But I do have a couple tips that I want to tell you guys, and a buyer's guide. That way you get the best value and best bang for your buck for the cars that you want and that you're looking for. That's what we try to do on this channel when we do our car reviews. And none of these are scripted. We're just doing mainly just all the specs I know about the car and little special features and tricks I know about the car. And I know I do a lot of Fords, and it's because I really know the most about Fords, I ain't gonna lie. But for being a YouTuber, I gotta expand my variety of cars. That's what I did with the Lincoln too, but it's still a Ford vehicle, so it ain't really expanding. But I'm gonna try to get other cars like the Cadillacs and stuff. Well, y'all see me do some Cadillacs, but they're not as detailed as the Ford vehicles. Alright, what's up, you guys? We got to the spot. So basically me breaking down basically the price tag of all the mods I did to my Ecoboost Mustang, or what it costs for me to build what I wanted done to my Ecoboost Mustang, breaking out every single part and showing the price tag. If I don't know the price tag right off bat, then I will. Oh, that's a nice little picture. Ooh. Cover photo, hold on, cover photo. Got y'all. But yeah, alright, we're gonna get right into it. I don't wanna prolong y'all or anything and make this or drag out this video, but we're gonna get right into it. So first off, we're gonna start with the front bumper, and yes, hold on, sorry, I gotta get the clarity right. Boom. Alright, so for the chin spoiler, we do have the Cervini chin spoiler, and I believe that cost me, well, I believe $380 shipped. But these Mustangs need that, man. It just adds that extra little aggressive little flair to it. Man, it's beautiful. If you're not getting a different front bumper, I would highly recommend getting the Cervini chin spoiler. It just sets the front end off. Sorry it's dark, y'all, but like I said. Alright, next we have the Op7 Turn Signals. Zoom back so you guys can see both sides. And I don't know if it's gonna do it or not, but they are sequential. So every time you cut the blinker on, they sequence just like the tail lights do. Pretty dope. But anyway, you guys, so we did the chin spoiler, we did the Op7 Turn Signals. Both of those are a must on these, on the S550s. And then coming to the wheels, we have the CDC Outlaw wheels. I actually got these off Facebook Marketplace, but brand new. These wheels are, I think, $1,200 for the set, but I actually paid $550 for the set, which isn't bad. Got a great deal on them. And look further back in there, as you can see inside of there, I have the power stop, brakes and rotors. They are the street, I forgot street something. Oh yeah, look, ooh, you can actually see the wheels, the reflection now. That junk's sweet. My bad, y'all, I'm geeking about the wheels. These wheels are so sweet. The whole rear part reflect, it's kind of dope. And these little decals, the 2-3 decals, this is the Ecoboost Mustang. I actually got these off eBay, I want to say for about 20 bucks both sides. And coming down to the side of the vehicle, we have those normally come with the premium pack Mustangs, the side skirts. Well, we got an extension side skirt of the RTR extensions, so it can align with the RTR rear extensions there. So I think for both sides, these were 110 bucks for both sides. And oh yeah, I forgot about the tires. Okay, so for the tires, as you guys can see, I'm running the Cosmo Mucho whatever, whatever. I wasn't really looking for a super fancy tire. I was just trying to get the rims on the car, so I just went with these. I think for the whole set was 400 bucks, and they are 275, 35 R20s all around. I'm running a square setup at the moment, and these are the Diode Dynamic LED. I'm not even sure what this is. I think it's an LED reflector light, because there was a reflector at first, but then I swapped it out. A side marker light, whatever you want to call it. But I also got this. This is a 3-piece for the RTR. Just the whole 3-piece with the diffuser. So the diffuser came, it was the diffuser, and then the side diffusers on each side. I think I paid, I gotta look, but because this was a long time ago when I did all this, pain in the butt to install, man. I'm sorry it's late, you guys, but I just want to get this video out to you guys before I forget. And I am running just an Axleback on this car, and the Axleback ran me, this is the Accelatec Axleback. You guys can go look at the video when I installed these to hear a sound clip. But also coming up to the rear, you can't see it right now because the car is on, the lights are on. But anyway, you guys, yeah, I do have the smoke tail light covers, so you won't see the red in the daytime, but at night you can see they're at normal brightness, so you won't get a ticket or anything. And moving up, I have the GT350 trackpack spoiler. You guys won't see this for much longer on the car. I'm getting a new wing, so stay tuned to see what that new wing is. This one was from eBay. I love the quality though. Not bad at all for it to be eBay brand. Looks great. You guys can see the detail. There we go. And coming to the back window, my decals, I paid 18 bucks for it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and comment below if you have any other questions. And some of y'all don't even know I got this. I do have a roof spoiler on my car. just to look different from all the other Mustangs. And I paid, I want to say about 40 bucks for this. It's a subtle little detail. Don't really notice it if you're not really paying attention. And I think that's it for the outside, to be honest. I may be missing a few things, but I'm gonna pop the hood so you guys can see the mods I did in the engine. Up under the hood, I have the GT350 cold air intake. It's just the intake box. I want to swap that out and get the air raid intake too, that way you get more flow to the intake. But I actually got this from somebody off the Mustang group, and I paid $150 for it, as you can see. But in there, right there, I'll zoom into it, but right there it is the Steeda blow-off valve adapter. I paid 50 bucks for that. That makes the big whoosh sound. Coming down below, I forgot to say that is the Cpe Intercooler. If you guys want to see more of that, got the video on it. I paid also 313 bucks for that, or 370 bucks for that, shipped from Cpe. And I don't have really much done up under the engine. Try to keep it as stock and reliable as I can. Let's put this down real quick, hold on. Oh yeah, and also, as you guys can tell by the videos, oh, you can see it now, the tail light covers. But yeah, you guys, the car was tuned. I took the tune off because I had a situation going where one of the ejectors went bad. I'm not sure if it was from the tune or not, but I just got nervous. So until I don't drive this car on a daily, I will keep the tune off, unless somebody want to race, of course. But yeah, and the tune was 600 bucks. It was a lifetime tune. Previously had a Ford Fusion, and my Ford Fusion was tuned by the same company. So they just transferred my tune from the Ford Fusion to the Mustang for free. And that is Livernois Performance. I do have the decal on my windshield. It's just black. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's too dark so you guys can't see it. But I don't want people to know I'm tuned. I just want them to pull up and try to race me. They just see the 2.3 and be like, oh man, it's just Ecoboost. But then when they get gapped, say no. But yeah, I will try to attempt to race anybody in that I think is making like 300 wheel horsepower or a little bit above 300 horsepower. I will attempt to race you, so don't be alarmed. And that's about it. Besides, this is a 2015 model, and I did swap the radio on here. I swapped it to Sync 3, and that I actually bought this off one of my friends that has got a different car, and he has Sync 3 already in the 2017, the newer model, and he had upgraded, so I just bought his. And all I needed was because this car came with the Sync 2. So when you have Sync 2, all you need is the Sync 3 screen and APIM to convert it over. And on that, I spent $250 just on that together, and that is a steal. I almost got in trouble a couple times if it wasn't for Waze. These things can get you in trouble, I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, you guys, that's about it, I'm pretty sure. Alright, you guys, I may be missing a few things, but that pretty much sums it up. I give a grand total of everything right here.
Oh my God! No!
Yeah, man. It's crazy when I went over all this. I did not think I spent that much on this car. But once you got a vision for a car, you got a passion for like the car, for cars in general, and you're a car enthusiast, once you get the first mod and you build your vision on what you want the car to be, it just non-stop. These things are a money pit. But all my car guys understand me, man. Alright, you guys, want to just come out here and give y'all a quick video. I know it's getting late. I'm about to head to sleep because I gotta go to work, but can't let the vlog down. So we're gonna wrap this up. You guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all got any questions, make sure y'all comment below or hit me up on my Instagram, Bomb Vlogs TV, all one word. It'll also be in the description below, so if you didn't get that. But anyway, you guys, don't forget, trust God, never lose faith, because he'll never lose faith in you. Peace.